Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and redeem gift card on DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to go open up your DoorDash, and there in the checkout section, when you go to this payment section, you will be able to add in the payments, right? But here in this below section, you will be able to find this option of add promo code as we have highlighted. All you have to do is tap on that particular option. Now once you have done so, it will simply open up this kind of little notification where it lets you enter the promo code appears on top, and then you will be able to tap on this apply, right? And then here in this section you can see this have a gift card, and then you will be able to tap on this redeem now option just right given over here. Once you have tapped on this redeem now, once you have tapped on it, you will be able to see this kind of interface where it lets you enter your gift card pin on top, where you're going to tap on it, and now this redeem gift card option will simply light up. All you have to do is tap on it. It will simply get applied to your original amount before checking out, and you're gonna check out. Then afterwards you will only have to pay the redeemed amount afterwards, and you will be done. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.